Hey everyone, Kaitlyn's fixing some mac and cheese over there.
Hi.
That's what she wanted tonight, some mac and cheese. So I'm sitting at the bar watching her, letting her do it all on her own.
This has to boil, and then I can put the noodles in.
What's your favorite kind of mac and cheese?
The Kraft kind.
Let me see.
This kind.
There we go. Do you like the homemade I make better with the bow tie pasta, or do you prefer this?
I like both, but homemade is always better.
Oh, you just say that because you're on video? Because it's okay if you like the box kind. When I was growing up, I secretly liked the box kind. When I would go to family reunions, everybody would bring that homemade mac and cheese, and it would have like little clumps of stuff, and I'm like, ugh, this is nasty. Give me some. You know, we didn't have much money. We bought, I think the boxes were like, I don't know, 19 cents, 20 cents. I mean, maybe 33 cents, but they were good. I guess that's what I was used to.
They are good.
All right, so Kaitlyn, let's be honest. Which mac and cheese do you prefer?
The box.
Okay, I knew that. Just be honest. It's all right. All right, we'll have to check out your mac and cheese when you get done. Do you think you got it all on your own?
I think so.
Because I'm staying far away. You got this. All right, you got anything to tell everybody? Anything new?
I don't think so.
All right, well, I just thought I'd check. All right.
Alright, so I have my noodles in and I'm just stirring. And then after I get them all stirred, I'll get my milk and butter and cheese ready.
She said she's hungry.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why she waits till she's starving to ever want to cook something. Or heat something up. She did heat pizza up earlier, didn't you?
I did.
You hungry again?
Mm-hmm.
Growing girl.
Oh! Hi.
He got you?
Yeah, that might not.
You just slashed it too hard, or?
No. The handle got my
Yeah.
my elbow. That was hot.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Okay. Now, what's the next step?
After the noodles are done, I need to drain it, and then I need to mix it all up.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to share with them what you just asked me?
Well, I asked her if I should put the cheese, butter, and milk in it before I drain it. Ow! I touched it again.
Maybe you should turn turn the handle away from you.
No, it's hot.
Oh, you have mitts.
Oh yeah. All right, there. Maybe it won't touch me now. That's much better.
All right. So anyway, she wanted to know, she said, I need to drain it next, right? And I said, what do you think? She said, no, I need to add the butter and the milk and the cheese to it.
Maybe I should just pay attention to the directions on the phone. They know what they're talking about.
Somebody more experienced than us has made it before, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, she said, don't we need the water to evaporate everything?
But then the noodles will probably soak it up.
That's right. That was the rest of the sentence. So, but I didn't even answer her. I said, let me turn this video on because she sounds so confident and she knows exactly what she's supposed to do. So I turned the video back on so that she would be confident and do it and not question herself. But now you do have to leave the noodles in the water for them to boil.
Mm-hmm. I know, I'm just checking them.
Oh, okay.
Making sure they're not burning.
Burning?
I mean, I did set it through appropriate time, but I don't know.
How many more minutes is left of your timer?
2.
Then I'd probably just leave them in the water.
Hot.
Kate, you're so entertaining.
Well,
I figured I would let everybody get to enjoy it. Anything new? Nothing going on in life new. Been hanging out with Grandma Martin though, and Mama and Papa a lot, huh?
I have.
Been sitting with Grandma Martin whenever Mama and Papa have other things they need to get done. So she's not by
She enjoys
herself.
the company.
I know, but every Sunday she's like, "You gonna stay with me?"
We didn't get to see her this Sunday because we had a church thing.
Oh yeah, I posted the story about the bird. So yeah, we missed her this past Sunday. We
That
didn't like
bird
to
was
miss
scary.
that bird was not scary.
I probably scared the baby bird more than.
You sure enough scared your mama.
Well, I don't know. I mean, one minute I was scrolling on my phone, and then the next, I hear this loud flapping, and I thought maybe it was like a giant wasp or something. So I just ran out the car, and Anna's yelling at me.
She's like, "What are you doing?" And I'm just waking up, just trying to take a nap.
All right, it's doing.
All right. I'll get your strainer for you, Kate, since it's way up there. What'd you do?
I was turning it off and it.
Oh, I just moved the camera way too much. I'm sure they love that.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
It's off. So now I need to strain it.
Yep.
Drain it.
Strain it.
Strain it. Not
Yes.
drain it.
Now, well, I mean, you are draining the water, but you're doing it in a strainer. So,
It'd be straining.
yeah, you're going to strain it. All right. But you're draining it too, technically. Okay. All right. Bye now.
Bye. Alright, I'm putting in my butter right now. And then I will mix the cheese and milk together.
You just strained your noodles, right? All right.
You help me with that.
Yeah, I know. I was just letting them know you did. You did officially drain them or strain them.
But we like to put in the butter before we put in the milk and cheese because it melts faster.
You can just relax and leave it and go ahead and mix up your other stuff because that butter's going to melt on its own with that
Okay.
heat. You don't take nothing.
I'm probably gonna put my butter knife away. And the butter. I figured out that the 1/4 cup it's talking about is lower than the 1/2 cup on the thingy, on the cup, mug, whatever.
I may have you too far away that they can't even hear you. I hope not. Yeah, she asked me.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, that's more than a 4 cup, but it's fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Alright. Then I need to stir it.
I decided I'd get a little closer in case they were having a hard time hearing you.
I'm just stirring it now. I got a big spoon because I don't know. I like bigger spoons. All the butter melted. So I'm gonna
You're focused on getting all that cheese out, aren't you, girl?
I am. Now I need to stir it. It should thicken up, right?
You put it back on heat for just a minute.
Okay.
You might have. You can either move it or either put that one on heat. It doesn't matter.
It looks good.
Mm-hmm. Well, you can have the whole box to yourself. I'm sure you can eat it all by yourself, can't you?
Probably. I like mac and cheese. But not the microwavable kind.
There was one whole school year. You took it like
Every day.
Every day.
And I got very burnt out very quickly.
She would tell me every day, can you stop and pick me up some more mac and cheese? And I thought, really? Okay.
It's much more cheaper just to buy a big box. That's what I figured out. And it gives you more. Because those little microwavable bowls don't have a lot.
Well, you can't cook a whole pot of mac and cheese at school, though.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I mean, I guess you could cook it the night before and then, like, put it in Tupperware dishes.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, leftover mac and cheese isn't as best as fresh mac and cheese.
I'd say, anytime we put leftover mac and cheese in the fridge, you never eat it after the fact.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off because I think it's done.
Good job. See, you did good with it being on video. If you had it been on video, you'd be asked, which direction do I turn it?
Well, I mean, I don't know.
And you know these answers.
Yeah, I feel like I know now. It's like a clock, kind of. A clock doesn't go backwards, so you can only go the other direction.
Gotcha.
But I think it's done. So I'm going to get a bowl, and I'm going to try it. Oh, I was in the wrong cabinet.
Well, I'm blocking the cabinet you need to use, so
Thank you.
I don't think it's your favorite bowl, but it'll work.
I left out my hand.
Look at her cleaning up her mess and all. I might have to keep her around.
I kind of didn't throw that away. I'll clean it up in a minute. Okay, I'm let that sit right there and clean this up.
Oh, I gotta shut my dishwasher, Kate. I just left it wide open, didn't I?
That's okay.
I guess because I didn't think I was videoing. It wouldn't show, but
All right.
I decided to start video and you came to this side. I was fixing to empty my dishwasher. Maybe too hot now.
I know. I'm blowing on it. They're really good.
Or you're really hungry, right? All right, well, good job. Let's see. Let me zoom in on it for them.
Oh, they're really, really good.
All right. Who else out there likes mac and cheese? and also, who else prefers box mac and cheese? That'd be interesting.
Well,
I'm sure everybody would prefer homemade other than Kaitlyn. All right. Y'all let us know in the comments. You interested in knowing?
All right, bye everyone.
What you think, Kaitlyn? You think 50-50? You think 75-25?
Probably 50-50.
You think?
Or maybe a little lower than that. I don't know.
I don't know. I figure it's going to be more like 90-10.
I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
All right. Y'all have a good one.
Bye.
Hey.
Hey.
I was just going to say hey since I was behind the camera, so that's it. I'm going to let her enjoy her mac and cheese, and I'm going to go see what kind of trouble I can get into in that laundry room. I've got lots to do.